Hello everybody, today we will continue our lessons for SQL training for beginners. Let's start lesson 27. SQL group by statement. The group by statement is often used with aggregate functions like count, max, minimum, summation or sum, average to group the result set by one or more columns. Group by syntax: select column name from table name where condition. Group by column name, order by column name. Below is a selection from the customers table in the Northwind sample database, which is contains customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, country. SQL group by examples. The following SQL statement lists the number of customers in each country. Select count, customer ID, country from customers, group by country. Each country will be contains the number of the customers. The following SQL statement lists the number of customers in each country sorted high to low. Select count, customer ID, country from customers, group by country, order by count, customer ID descending, like this. Below is a selection from the orders table in the Northwind sample database, which is contains order ID, customer ID, employee ID, order date, shipper ID, and a selection from the shipper table, which is contains shipper ID, shipper name, and the related columns shipper ID, as we see. Group by with join example. The following SQL statement lists the number of orders sent by each shipper. Select shipper name, count orders.order ID as number of orders from orders. Left join shippers on orders.shipper ID equal shippers.shipper ID. Group by shipper name. It's too much easy to use inner join and left join, and the result here is number of records, only 3 records. So our lesson today is too much important and it will be very easy. Just you have to practice very well, and don't forget to click the bell and subscribe to get our new lessons. Thank you. Bye.